Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, my name is Kadek Doni Dwi Hendrawan. I'm from Diplomacy English Department, and now I want to start with a rival. And welcome to Garuda Tour. And I have a driver, and the name driver is Pak Kade. You can call me Pak Kade. And now we will start to Sing Sing Waterfall, and Sing Sing Waterfall located at Labuan Haji. After that, we have lunch at La Costa restaurant, and then in the La Costa too, we have in the afternoon in the La Costa we have a cup of coffee to enjoy the sunset in the La Costa. Yeah, and we go back to the hotel at 7 p.m. And while we go to enjoy your destination, I want to explain the ceremony in Bali, and the name ceremony is Galungan and Kuningan Day. In Bali, have a short story, and in Bali, long time in Bali live a monster, and the monster name is Maya Denawu. And Maya Denawu want to Balinese people to worship herself, worship the monster self. And then Maya Denawu don't want Balinese people worshipping the god in temple in Bali. So God Indra very angry, and God Indra down to earth to defeat the Maya Denawu because God Indra don't want Maya Denawu life in earth. And then the ceremony, and that ceremony, the name is Galungan. And Kuningan Day for exactly and Kuningan Day celebrate Hindu Dharma people in Bali, and Kuningan Days falls on Buku Kuningan Sanes Caru, and Kuningan Days start from two holidays, 210 days from the Balinese calendar calculation, and for exactly 10 days after Galungan Days. Okay, maybe that's all about short story. Maybe that's all short story about Galungan and Kuningan Day. And thank you for choosing my travel agent. And I don't want to you forgot some your equipment like handphone, camera, and handycam and something like that. Okay, I hope you enjoy my explanation about Galungan and Kuningan Day. I hope you enjoy your trip, and thank you for choose my travel agent, and thank you.